Hello everyone, it's me. I'm gonna sum this video number 30. It will be about the 55 Dodge Royal Lancer. All are M2 machines and they released the car 2016. We will start the video by this so pretty car. As you can see, it's with open hood, open doors, wonderful colors. Indeed, all of the cars are exactly the same, but just different colors. That's why maybe I will not talk too much about it and I will let you just enjoy the beauty of the car. Look at the colors, look at the details of the car. Such a lovely car. What can be better than this? The yellow, so nice. Such a lovely car. I think I just missed a couple of those cars, but I'm ready to collect it all. So nice. Look at the interior, look at the color of the interior, the green one. As I just mentioned, I should not really talk too much and I will let you just watch the beauty in peace. All of the 6 cars, as I mentioned, exactly the same, just different colors. And I hope I can get your comment about all of the cars that you saw and tell me which one you like the most. Look at this, really look at this. How delicate and how wonderful it is. Just hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and wish you have a very good day.